Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today I am super excited because we are trying something new. I found a recipe on Pinterest that is called the Mongolian beef noodles. It looks absolutely amazing. It's got great reviews. I wanted to try it. I wanted to cook something simple today. And that looks so simple and easy, which is my motto, simple and easy. And hopefully it's absolutely amazing. So we're gonna give that a shot. We're gonna let you know what we think about it, and that way you can add it to your dinner table. Now the recipe calls for a pound of ground beef. This is about 1 1/3 pounds, but I think it'll work out just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all mashed up and get it browned, and then we're going to add our garlic and our ginger. My ground beef is browned and I've drained it, and now we're going to add in some ginger paste. We're going to add about 4 teaspoons of ginger paste. And then we're going to add quite a bit of garlic. Juice and all. We're going to add about 6 teaspoons of garlic. That's a lot of garlic. And we're just going to combine all that. Ah, it smells good already. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of beef broth, about 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce. We're going to use a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And then we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of the hoisin sauce. Whoa. And give that a stir. Oh my God, it smells so good. So good. I'm going to add some black pepper. And just a pinch of red pepper flakes. I'm going to combine all this. I'm going to turn it down low and let it simmer for just a few minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and get my noodles on. I have a pot of water coming to a boil. Now I'm going to add a pound of the linguine noodles into the boiling water. And I'm going to cook it just until it's al dente. And while my noodles are cooking, I'm going to pop these chicken egg rolls in the air fryer. My noodles are done. I've got just a little bit of cornstarch here and water I'm going to add just to thicken up the liquid that's in here. And I also reserved a little bit of the pasta water in with my pasta. It is done. I've had to smell this cooking for about 15 minutes and it smells absolutely phenomenal. They've already come in and got their plates, so now it's my turn. Man, that is so full of flavor. A lot of good flavors going on there. Oh my gosh. Really good. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.